Good morning, we're in elementary school. This is Gianna,
Christopher,
and Gracie from Miss Donafy's class with the WES news team. Today is Wednesday, October 23rd, 2019. Hot lunch today is cheese quesadilla, pinto beans, coleslaw, mixed fruit, and milk. This week is book fair. It is at our school. There are lots of great books to choose from. So make sure you check your schedule and bring money in for the day your class is scheduled to go. Thank you, PTA, for helping us have this event.
remember we're in elementary school character counts. This week we'll be talking about unity. Today is Unity Day. On Unity Day, we share the color orange as a reminder that we want to help prevent bullying. And we're united. As part of our Unity Day celebration, we will all be receiving these cool orange buddy bracelets. When you wear your orange buddy bracelet, remember to be a kind, accepting person who wants to help get rid of bullying in our schooling community.
Thank you, Christopher. I am super excited for Unity Day. Don't forget to bring money for the United Way walk and treat next week. Any class could still win. Remember, this month we also have an attendance challenge. Any student who has 100% perfect attendance with no tardies or early dismissals will receive a special trick-or-treat prize from the principals. So be here on time every day. We hope you all have a fantastic day. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.